Point is, I should be a sports personality in badminton category.
Hmm. Shuttle
And
badminton.
yeah,
Did
shuttle
you check
badminton.
ball badminton?
Sorry, sir.
Did you check for ball badminton?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did. It's badminton only. Badminton is shuttle one. We call it. I mean,
Yeah, but traditionally there is an Indian
that
game.
was yes, sir. That is traditional one.
There is an
Yes.
Indian game called ball badminton.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So in our childhood, badminton means ball badminton. Shuttle is always shuttle badminton or shuttle. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. And then
If you go in some rail, you cannot change the rail after some time. You are gone. In that rail only you will go. It's like you have a ship which is barking on the shore. You get into that. That ship was going to Singapore, but you wanted to go to Bombay. They are in two different directions. Okay. There can be lot of options.
yes.
Assume I wanted to go from Hyderabad to Delhi.
Yes.
Which are the different options available? I can walk.
Walk.
Huh.
Yeah, you can
I can
walk.
I can I can take a bicycle and then go. I can take a motorbike and go. I can go in a car. I can catch somebody's lorry and then sit with them and then travel. I can take a train. I can take a flight. I can also chart my own flight and fly.
Yes, sir.
Depends on how much I have, what I have, how much time I have, what importance I have. So in the life when you have to go, there are different paths.
Yes, sir.
Which path we have to take, we can decide. A quotation which says, idle mind is a devil's workshop.
Mm.
You understood? There are only three things in the world people require. You must look at some of my videos and learn all this.
Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You know what are the three things which people require?
Three things.
One is knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Second one is fame.
Yes, sir.
Everybody should know Bala. One, you want to get knowledge. Second one, you want to become famous. Third one, you want to become rich. These are three general requirements for anybody in the world.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
But what is that under all these basic happiness? What gives you happiness? For me, something gives happiness. For somebody else, something else will give happiness. But we know what will give happiness. We will search for that. There are some people who want degree so that I can get a good job. So if I get a good job, I get good position. So if I get good position, everybody will listen to me. If I get good job, I will get good money. Therefore, I want to study. Some people are not like that. I want to study. What? I don't know why I am studying. I like study. If you sing a song, will you get a lot of money? No, you may not get. But still you like to sing because it gives you enjoyment. So learning gives you enjoyment. Sometimes, see, that is what you are saying. You want to draw a lot of pictures. That's enjoyment. But you want to make masterpiece. See, you know, when you say masterpiece, it is you want recognition.
Yeah.
You understood? I had a friend of mine who was a normal school drawing teacher. He lost his job. He came to Hyderabad. Those days he used to attend my classes. Very senior man. He has got his children almost your age those days. You can imagine losing a job, nothing. Then I told him, see, you are a drawing master. You must take a nice idea and then draw different picture which people don't draw. So this person, he was listening to my lecture from Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter. There is a sloka which says Urdha Mula Mata Shaka. I was explaining that in one of my lecture. He picked up that idea and then drawn a picture. And then I said, similarly, you draw few pictures. We will have an exhibition. We conducted an exhibition. So I inaugurated. He wanted me only to inaugurate that. Banjara Hills. One of my relatives' house only. She is running a art gallery. We invited few of our friends and then inaugurated. Then he gifted me a picture, oil painting, beautiful oil painting. That's there in my house. I have got a house in Malkajgiri where I have a library in which I kept that photograph in a nice place. Beautiful portrait. It may be half meter by 1 meter, big one. Then I told him, once you give, you will not have this. You must draw again, same one. You draw one more. Then second exhibition, I only inaugurated again in British Council Library, Hyderabad. Then next year, by that time, he was having exhibition in London. He sold the same picture which he gave me for 5 lakh rupees. I told him, you take my picture also, take that and give me 5 lakhs. Understood? He was feeling upset, nothing to do. But he is a great artist. But that is full dedication. From that time onwards, he is full dedicated. I was trying to ask or find out what is that is good in you, so that I can suggest. I suggest to people, you should become like this, you should become like this. You understood? Which sometimes you cannot speak. I have to pick up from your interest what you speak and then suggest you. Whatever happened so far, it is just because not your skill alone. People can do things based on 3 activities. One is attitude. Attitude is which is your own. Nobody need to push you. Right? But that one with your own ability without anybody's support, attitude. Second one, the skill which you can get trained. Now today onwards you decide I wanted to do like this. You try. Yes, possible. Third one is opportunity. Whether you have good opportunity in India, whether you have good opportunity abroad. You must decide what is your place where you wanted to live. Do you want to be alone in one country which is full of cool? America, Canada, Switzerland, all these places are cool and chill, where sometimes you are inside your house the whole life. Maybe you will have you and your husband and your children, that's it. I was there last year in America, teaching Bhagavad Gita, taking classes, having satsang. Once in a while we go for a long drive. I went for a drive for 7 states, almost 7 days, covering thousands of kilometers. That was a great travel. Once in a while only people will be there. Alone it becomes boring. And I've seen a lot of students studying psychology in +1, +2 now. Actually, I'm an academician. I was director for a university. So I keep telling this is the worst thing a student should study. Frankly, tell me, Bala, did you had any extra benefit because you studied psychology in +1, +2? Huh? Just for writing exam, that is easier subject, so you can take it. That's fine. But otherwise, it doesn't give you any extra ability even to understand psychology. Because you yourself is in a confused state. Now you may think, yeah, I have learned psychology. Some students soon after this they will decide I will learn psychology BA. Even that will not help them. At least I am so glad you said that you want to study BCom. Commerce is your subject, right? That's good. Commerce, when you study, you have to look at the budget. You have to look at lot of now soon after this +1 +2 examination is over, until your graduation, don't take rest. Don't invest time something else. Study thoroughly to understand which are all the colleges where you want to go, which are the syllabus which they have, what are the optionals they have. Did you study mathematics with +1 +2?
No, so +1 I studied mathematics, but then 12th May I dropped it. I took psychology instead of math.
That's what I'm saying. That's a big mistake, because having anybody who would have suggested you, if you are planning for BCom, you have a lot of accounts. Psychology doesn't help you. That maths would have helped you a lot. You understood? But you are a bright student, you can study anything. That's not a big problem. Now you can see my class for BBA students in KL University. These postings in these days, where I am teaching mathematics, mathematical aptitude for them, how to do computations very fast. Any examination for any job, anywhere, mathematical aptitude is must. Good presence of mind, how fast you can compute, even if you are into business. That's why BBA or MBA also conduct examination with aptitude. Okay, so decide your now until examination is over, +1 +2 exam, you must excel, because now this exam you may pass without any difficulty, but most important is how much good marks you will get. Assume you want to go to the best college, any central university, or humanities subject with the beautiful subjects are now given in IITs. You want to go there. In Delhi, best Delhi University, any college. Which is the best commerce college in Delhi? Lady Sri Ram College of Commerce. Sri Ram College of Commerce is one of the best college in commerce in India, whole India, and that is in Delhi. Suppose you get admission in Lady Sri Ram College, you can see the difference in the standard of a college. I have got students from Kerala gone to Sri Ram College to study. I asked them, go. That's the best college. At least many children from small villages who listen to me, who understand me, who heard me, they go to Delhi for studies. Two reasons. One, when you study in Delhi, there are a lot of coaching centers in Delhi for civil service. They will go there and then study parallelly. So whole 3 years graduation, if you don't study parallelly for civil service, you cannot achieve civil service. Otherwise, after graduation, again you will have to invest a lot of time. Up to 10th class, you have sufficiently good knowledge. I am sure you can always brush it up and then get good marks. I will send you a book, Civil Service Prelims Handbook, how to prepare for civil service. It is not for preparing, it is to just look at what is the syllabus, what does it include, so that whether you want it or not, you can decide by that. Advantage I will tell you. Once you get into that, you are like a free man, not much of studies. Then you are in the best place in the world, wherever you go. Like you are an ambassador, or you may be a special secretary in some places. Then if you draw a little bit, the whole world will know.
If I get into the civil service.
Best position. I am not saying civil service. Either you become a rich man, either you become a very great position. I assume that you are a collector and then you know little dance. You may not be a great dancer, but every press fellow will say our collector is a great dancer.
Yes, that's true.
Understood? So, whatever passion you have, which can be always And you can go to different places, look at different pictures, you can see different museums in the whole world. You can appreciate it because the art is inside you. Similarly, sports is inside you. Wherever you go, because it's only entertainment. Understand, entertainment is not a profession. Arts, games, cinema, politics, every game is also an entertainment in India. That is why people are having a hero feeling that this person is a big hero. America, it's not an entertainment. So nobody will know who is the best player. They won't watch in the TV full time sitting like cricket watching and all is not there in America because they have their own life. They think sports is for making them fit. Originally, sports and games are to entertain ourselves, not to entertain somebody else. You understood? Why am I swimming? To get myself fit, physically fit. But in India, when somebody is swimming, lot of people will look even without touching the water, they will see the other person swimming. You understood? So, your ambition, whether you are in India or abroad, the style in which you have been grown up, from childhood onwards, there would have been an image which came to you saying that this is how life is. That is up to +1, +2. But now you have to create your own image, not somebody else gave you image. You understood? So that in which you can do it, that you should decide.
Yes.
If it is sports, it's competition. If it is film, it is competition. Any examination is also competition. Like Indian Foreign Service, 20 lakhs people will write. The first 20 lakhs people will apply. Only 10 lakhs people will write. Rest of the people will not even go to exam hall fearing that it is a very tough one. Because minimum number of chances. If you write once or twice, finished. You don't get another chance. 7 chances only maximum. If you start writing at the age of exactly after finishing your +1, +2, you start, then you get a better chance. Fine. Then main examination, then interview, personality test, everything is over. 100 people will get. 1000 people altogether. IAS, IFS. That's all in the book I have written. Okay? That's it. This is the book. Civil Service Prelims. It's not written by me. It's written by my student. The way I explained like this, the book was written. Okay. She is now in MIT. MIT is the world's best university. America. She finished her studies. So, you have to write all examinations which are going to come now. SAT. SAT is the admission test for somebody who wanted to write examination in America. So you can see some of my students where I am teaching for SAT examination. When I was in US, I was teaching students how to prepare for SAT. You can see all these on my YouTube.
Yes.
See, today one of my teacher had sent a message. SAT 2020, he became a winner. Right? So, this is an Indian student in Bahrain, Doha. He is studying in Doha. I went dedicated full effort. So, the more effort you take now, you can have a relaxed life in later. But assume you are a badminton player. Today you will have to struggle, but after some time assume you can relax. Is it possible? Continuously you will have to.
Fight.
You understood? It's a fight.
Yes, we have to.
Once you stop, You know, the life becomes so disastrous. For it is true with the politicians. It is true with the sports. It is true with anything else. In academics, it's not the case. Academics, what I have studied in my long back, that's what I am selling even today. I don't have to prepare to talk to you. You understood? And if you become something and get benefited out of it, I'm sure you will say, yeah, I spoke to Dr. TPS at the time when I wanted to make some difference. I made some difference in my life. That's yeah, I feel happy about it. I may not get anything in my life. I'm not doing it for money. I'm only doing it because, yeah, once Bala Durga gets something, I feel happy. I'm sure Krishna will feel happy because he referred. Krishna will not refer something just like that to somebody, right? And we have met only once or twice. I came there for a lecture. And why did I came there for a lecture? I came for a lecture because one of the person who is working for social service activity in that Navabharat read one-page article on me in Enadu. Have you read that?
I didn't see that.
Yeah. That made him to call me to that place. So I stayed there 3 days and then gave lectures to all village. All the students from different villages in bus they used to come. Thousands of students. The capacity was 1,000. So one day 1,000, next evening another 1,000, next day morning another 1,000, like that 5,000, 6,000 people I covered in 3 days. Navabharat, Palavancha was the place where it was conducted. But then your father's brother, Krishna,
Yes, sir.
he came to Hyderabad and met me with his family.
He told me.
Not many people will do that. So that connection, that contact he kept. I must have given my books also, including that book I must have given to him.
Yes, I saw it.
Correct. So he has interest. That is why he referred you to me. So what you should do, he has a trust in you. So I feel that, yeah, it's my responsibility to show and spend some time with you. When you are confused, it's very difficult. If somebody wanted to know where to go, I can guide you properly. You don't know where to go, what do I do? So I must set you perfectly to understand what is that you want. So first, decide among these whether you want to continuously struggle in life, but your basic quality says you are not such a person who wanted to struggle a lot. You want everything very fast.
True, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So it is not passion which is governing you. It is interest which is governing you. And your interest keeps shifting. The best job is, suppose I am into a business and my interest keeps on shifting. Do I think I will make a lot of money? How long your father is doing wood business, you tell me?
Sorry, sir. How
Wood.
long?
Your father is doing wood business. He is in wood industry, right?
Yes, sir.
How long?
My father.
Yeah, so it is a continuous long-term job. Assume that somebody gets in last year, this year will he earn a lot of money? Not that simple. I am 100% sure Bala Durga cannot get into one job continuously throughout life. You will get bored. Correct? Yes or no?
I deviate easily, sir. I deviate.
You deviate very fast. That's what I'm saying. It's like a moon, 15-day cycle. Every 15 days you change your cycle. Not even 1 month. Okay. So, get into something which is pressurized by somebody else. Like examination should come continuously and then you have a relaxed life later because you like to be relaxed. Because your brain is not in the brain. The brain is in the manas. It keeps on shifting. It pumps. So think very thoroughly. Where do you get admission depends on your merit in +1, +2. For next 3-4 months, thoroughly prepare for examination. You are in CBSE, you can also write open school mathematics again, +2. That will become an added paper for you so that you have +2 mathematics also with you. That can be written soon after your examination is over. Again, you write it. Because some places, best colleges for BCom, they will ask you whether you have, there is a BBA analytics, BCom analytics. Analytics is prediction, how good will be the world. After 2020, 2030, how the world is, how the business will be. Assume that you want to do lot of share market and such things. Doing you don't require. But to study in the academics, they will ask you, do you have mathematics in both years? So, one option is you can add mathematics to your course by writing private. Open school scheme is there. Okay, look at that option. Study. Ask your mother sometime, father sometime, what you wanted to be in life, did you become like that or not? Very difficult. Many people don't become what they wanted in life. Correct? Good ability doesn't mean you will reach at the highest. Some bad fellows also will become highest. Now Rahul Gandhi, he is becoming Congress leader. Is it because he is a great man? Because he belonged to that family.
Yes.
Even if you want to run away, he will have to come back. Because he don't get any other job. Correct?
Yes.
So sometimes family gives you a lot of support. But the third person in Congress is my classmate. We studied together. The Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and me, he used to come to my house as a guest. I used to go to his house and eating breakfast also some of those days. When we were student at your age, we were studying together. Now he is third person in Congress, Secretary, General Secretary of the whole Congress in the India. K.C. Venugopal. We were classmates. He reached there just because of his own passion, full time. No breakfast, no lunch also, Congress is in his brain. Okay. He must be thinking more than Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi about Congress. So that's a passion. I don't think you don't know what I wanted to be. No? Dosha, yeah, fine. Idli, that's also very good. Sambar, very good. Sambar is not there. Chutney is very good, you will say. What is available is okay for you. Correct or not?
Yes.
But then, next day I don't want idli amma, I want vada. I want something else. You want change. You like a person who wanted to change everything. So it's a good thing. Because you will enjoy. You are not stuck to something saying that no, I lost it so that I'm so depressed will not come. You will find interest in something else. Sometime you will be in mood off, but doesn't change. You will change fast and then become very happy. Correct or not? So enjoy, not bad. But now +1, +2, full concentration, study well. Don't think about where you will join, what you will join, where your father will put and all that. After that, write all entrance examinations. BBA entrance exam. For Delhi also there is an entrance exam. Every college conducts. Lady Sriram College, IIT, wherever possible, write everything. Before that, whatever patch like mathematics you wanted to do that so that you will become eligible everywhere. Apply every course. At least there has to be 10-15 colleges where you get admission, and then all that you can put into file. You cannot join everywhere. Right?
Yes, sir.
Keep that everything so that you can tell somebody else, yeah, I got all these admissions. 10 colleges I got admission. Correct? That's what you
Yes.
should do. Write CLAT exam. CLAT is for law.
Yes, sir.
National Law Examination. Right? That also you must write. Integrated programs are there. MBA. All that programs you must write. Every private university also you write. But best is not to join private university. Best is to join national universities. Government graded national universities. Up to +1, +2 private is fine. Like you can pay money and then get it. It is not because paying money or not. All national universities will have a great professional people. I am now working in a private university. But I don't recommend anybody to join that university. That should be the last option, I will say. Okay. Because national universities have got its own value. It has got its own merit. By certificate, it has its own merit. Parallelly, if you decide reading that book, you decide to be in Indian Foreign Service, then I will tell you the steps to be taken. Then whichever college you join, some degree is also fine. Because your focus is civil service. And you don't write examination for Indian Foreign Service. You write examination, UPSC exam for All India Service. In which based on your grade, rank which you get, they will put you based on your option either in IAS or in IPS, next option IFS. So if your rank becomes somewhere in 300, 400, you will definitely get IFS. But if your rank is less than 500, you will get Indian Revenue Service, Customs and Excise, that sort of a job you will get. But then people join there, again they will write to improve the rank, and they will become police, they will become IAS. So any three, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Foreign Service, all these three are the best, where you will keep on getting different jobs, not one job throughout life.
So what about if I start a company?
Yeah, if you want to start a company, first thing, you can start even now. Depends on what company you want to start. How much domain knowledge you have. Who are your customers? How do you get good customers? How do you get, see, anything can be started. No. It all depends on what is that you wanted to do and how much money you can invest, where do you want to do, what you want to do. There are people who finish their masters from abroad in computer science, they come and do construction job in Hyderabad. But if you don't get a good degree in your hand, assume that you are only a +2 and then doing a job. That's why I said even today you can get. But then when you get married, you wanted to get married, nobody will come with a higher qualification to you, even if you are a business person. And when you get, even the best film stars, they all get good qualification from the best universities abroad also sometimes. Because they get exposure, they start learning, they start studying. Got it? So it's important to get knowledge, qualification first.